Hello everyone, once again welcome to Law Prep Tutorials channel, and I'm so happy, charged up to have Mox with me again. I guess you already had one interview with Sagar sir.
Yes.
And we kind of recorded it even before CLAT because we were manifesting a lot of things. So a lot of people were surprised, when the interview came at the same time. They're like, रात को उठा के इसका interview ले रहे हैं. So guys, we didn't वो हमने थोड़ा पहले ही करा था because he was a very studious, very sincere, very सीधा बच्चा जो coming for all classes, coming for all mocks. Did you never it did not occur to you कि यार अब मैं इस classes बंद कर दूँ या ये skip कर लूँ या वो skip कर लूँ?
No, because I think in the end all classes were relevant. Right. There was nothing that was irrelevant. क्योंकि mocks are extremely important.
Because we face this issue a lot. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, बहुत studious होते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, but for some reason 1-2 months in the just before the exam they start feeling like ये काम का है, ये नहीं है. Why would we conduct anything which is going to waste your time? Right. So you did attend all the classes till end, all the mocks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once you started preparing, first of all, why law?
I am from the humanities field, so law is in a way it's tailored to my interests. It has theory. I'm good at this, and I would like to pursue UPSC down the line, so that also helps quite a lot.
So because he told me you had good 10% also.
Yes.
And what was your percentage?
91%.
And तो family में नहीं था कि science करो?
No, because everyone in my family, they're from the humanities field only.
Okay. So everyone was okay with
They were quite happy actually.
Good. So, and your friend circle is also science?
Yes, most of them are from the science field.
They also did not tell you कि यार science ले ले, साथ में रहेगा?
They were surprised, but I think they also had some sort of superiority complex about it.
Right. No, but I remember last year, because he's from St. Xavier's, Jaipur. So last year I remember Vipul,
yes.
When he switched to, I don't know, maths में से he wanted to switch.
He had commerce.
Right. Yes. So he wanted to switch. Yes. And the school was like, no, you have to, it was a struggle for him to switch.
They usually don't, they're usually very helpful, but I think with Vipul they wanted him to pursue that because I think he was quite good at that as well.
Right. So in your case they were fine?
Yes,
supportive.
They were very happy because the humanities teachers are really helpful.
Okay. So because a lot of students who pursue CLAT with 11th or 12th, उनका ये इशू रहता है कि यार स्कूल वाले सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं या स्कूल से बहुत कंप्लेन आ रही है. So how did you manage that या उसमें आपका क्या कंप्लेन या कुछ इश्यूज थे क्या?
My school was very helpful, so
they were very supportive.
They were very supportive.
Okay, no complaint whatsoever कि attendance short हो रही है, ये हो रहा है.
Occasionally they would tell me, but they understood always.
Right, and now they must be very happy.
Yes, they're very happy now.
राइट. ओके, चलो आपने एक बार डिसाइड कर दिया लॉ करना है, तो ग्राउंड वर्क के लिए व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट स्टूडेंट, जैसे जो मे बी 11th में स्टार्ट कर रहा है, पहले तो उनके लिए व्हाट विल यू सजेस्ट जिनके पास अब से लेके 1 साल है, उनको व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट दैट व्हाट शुड दे स्टार्ट विथ, व्हाट शुड बी द की थिंग दे शुड स्टार्ट विथ?
आई थिंक वी नीड टू गेट गुड एट द बेसिक हैबिट्स, सो 1 mock a week is also good. You understand the paper, what they ask, solve past year papers. I would say solve that first because you'll also realize that the paper is not that difficult.
Correct.
And I would say work on your maths as well in the beginning because otherwise you will have to do it in 2 to 3 months and that's not possible later on.
Correct. Plus he is an avid reader. He is a movie buff also. So do you think that also helped you?
I think reading helps quite a lot. Movies, I won't say they help.
So you don't use subtitles, you directly...
No, I do use subtitles.
I too also. Sometimes you're watching at 1.5 for in case of going...
And with the American accent, I think everyone needs subtitles.
Correct. Okay, but he is a very, for those of you who are doing long term, he reads a lot of lot of books, so that helps. I believe he might not realize it, but as a teacher we realize that anyone who has a very good base, right, with respect to reading, abhi bhi there's good enough time, like April May tak you can include reading habit as a part of their timetable, right?
Definitely.
Okay, what was your worst score in mock?
Worst, I think the first mock I gave I got 38.25.
Lowest 38.
Yes, that was the lowest, and I think first 5 to 6 mocks was 45, 44.
And then from that to highest was?
Highest was I think 102 in a mock.
Okay. Good. So, acha, when you was there any time where you felt bad about the mock scores
Yes,
when they
because-
used to fluctuate?
Yes, they wouldn't fluctuate, but I have noticed weeks. मतलब for a week, you see that your mocks are consistently declining, and that is quite a tough week. But that's usually it happens.
So, what you used to do? You used to talk to friends or mentors, or how would you cope with the same?
I discussed it a lot with Sumit sir, but मतलब, he was also very helpful. He convinced me, and I do agree with him that it's usually not that big of a deal. Sometimes bad mocks do happen.
That's okay. Even bad clat happens. So
Yes. And honestly, the mocks are more difficult than CLAT, so
Correct.
we can't really say
compare.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. I believe you guys had that boot camp.
Yes, ma'am.
So during that, was that some kind of, how did that help you?
I think one very good thing was that we got to see other people's strategies. Some were particularly intelligent. We saw how they handled CR specifically, and I think even looking at the competition is quite helpful.
So
because
that
you
pushed you to do
Yes.
more focus.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
thoda sa, I believe 2 months before everyone was getting comfortable कि
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है,
हाँ.
कर ही लिया है.
Yes.
Okay. So that must have been a
Yes,
kind
that
of
was a big boost because everyone was very good.
right in that particular boot camp everyone
Yes,
was
ma'am.
did okay. Now I want to also tell you guys that he has scored AIR 26 in CLAT and AIR 44 in ALIT. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And he was aiming for both the universities. In fact, he was aiming for NLUD. So any particular tip you would like to give students कि ALIT के point of view से इन चीजों पे काम करे तो that helps you.
Definitely solved a lot of analytical reasoning. I think one mistake I may have made is that I didn't focus on it that much. So you should solve analytical reasoning. And the second would be to minimize your silly mistakes because in a paper that's of 150 marks, every mark helps.
Correct. And plus जैसे इस बार का था.
Yes, ma'am.
The good thing with ALIT this time was जैसे CLAT की भी आंसर की आई तो there was around 10-12 mistake.
Yes.
ALIT में भी there were 10-12 mistake. CLAT did not accept it. They hardly changed few questions, whereas ALIT actually changed around
Yes, ma'am.
7, 8, 10
11
questions.
questions.
Correct.
Yes.
And that resulted into a जो आपने calculate किया था उसके compare में you
Yes.
got
12.5 more marks.
right. Correct. Good. So that helped you do
Yes, ma'am. That
wonderful.
helped a lot.
Right. Okay. So when you have this kinds of dilemma, NLS or NLUD, what to like even now? Aren't there people who are suggesting no go for NLS?
Not really because मतलब, they understand that I would like to go for UPSC as well.
Okay.
And Delhi is nearby, so I think that's also a reason.
घर के पास भी है.
Yes, ma'am.
You are homesick person, like you are an introvert. You like to be near.
I do like to be at home, but मतलब, it's not that big of an issue for me to go somewhere far away.
Okay. So it's near one, and because you want to do UPSC.
Yes.
You wanted to do UPSC since when?
I think since always, I would say. I think since I've been capable of rational thought.
Okay, great. So you have always dreamt
Yes.
about कि भाई I'll clear UPSC and
Yes, मतलब, I would like to.
right. Okay. And once your family has always been aware of it and supported you with
Yes,
respect
ma'am.
to UPSC. Everyone happy कि चलो UPSC के लिए. How did you decide on NLUD for UPSC? Because it's Delhi, or you have talked to people, or
Because I've spoken to people and they have better atmosphere for the civil services.
a lot of students there,
Yes, ma'am.
every year clear UPSC.
Yes, ma'am. So it would be a good environment, I think.
Right. Any particular superstitious activity you do before paper or something?
Not really, no.
Any ritual कि भाई
No,
ये
but
करके
I
जाना है?
did wear the same shirt for CLAT and ALIT on the day of the paper.
आगे की क्लैट का रिजल्ट आ गया
तो I thought कि यही पहन
यही लकी रहेगा.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Any particular friends or any particular support from the family other than of course law prep helped, but friend or family would like to thank in your whole journey?
Both friends and family, all of them were extremely supportive and they always understood because I couldn't hang out with them as much.
Okay.
So they always understood.
And now you have been सबको treat दे दी आपने?
अभी it's actually left क्योंकि they are appearing for JEE. So after that
तब तक तो आप चले जाओगे नहीं जाओगे क्या? अच्छा
नहीं, Jan
JEE
में they have the first shift.
तो उसके बाद boards and
after
then
that.
after.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
plans to go out or do something?
I think I might visit my sister. She's studying in Geneva.
Okay, good. Okay, so Anything else you want us to ask Moksha? Any guidance you want from him? We'll try to bring him for live on an AMA.
Yes,
So that
exactly.
students can talk to you regarding. He's a very sorted person. He'll give you very to the point answers, no story, nothing. And right, any lesson, any final tip to the students?
Be consistent, I would say. That's the most important.
You used to study for 10 hours, 12 hours.
No,
What
no.
was your schedule usually?
I think 6 to 8 hours maximum towards the end of the exam. Not more than that.
And in the starting?
In the starting, I think in the starting it actually takes more time because you have to solve more. So around 3 to 4 hours of practice and then GK around 2 to 3 hours.
So your daily task list was solving questions of every section?
Yes. In the end, it was just solving one mock,
Okay.
analyzing it, and one CLAT Express.
And for those who are starting now, like we have a lot of your juniors who have done very good along with 11th, like they have
Yes.
scored in 80s and 70s and something like
Yes.
that. So they are really confused to restart the thing.
Yes.
So how what do you suggest? They are very lost with it because they had the schedule, no mocks and everything.
ma'am.
So they felt that
Yes.
accelerated point. Now they are at a very slow point, so they are not sure how to go about it.
I would recommend having a set list. Me specifically, I had three things I had to do every day, which was revise one CLAT Express, revise Amit sir's class notes, and do one mock or solve questions. I think these three in themselves are holistic. He will cover every section.
Correct. So daily schedule, mein if you do these things, that should help.
Yes, ma'am. And you can read the newspaper as well, the editorials.
Did you study for 12th along with this at all?
I studied for my half yearlies. After that, I didn't study for 12.
So that was in?
That was around, I think, September.
Okay. After that, you'll completely
Yes, ma'am. I
focused here.
completely
Otherwise, you're balancing both of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. वैसे तो now अब जब आप 12th पढ़ोगे तब आपको आइडिया लगेगा. But फिर भी does your preparation related to CLAT help you in humanities?
Yes, ma'am, because in political science we have the world politics book, so that engages with CLAT a lot, and it's actually quite helpful for CLAT as well because
Right.
not just the facts, we see the concepts around things as well.
Right. So you are very well. That's what CLAT also aims for. That
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should be well aware about the issue.
Yes, ma'am, and sometimes they do ask conceptual questions as well.
Correct, correct. So that helps.
Yes.
Right. And yes, so everyone, I hope you have learned something from his journey. You have taken inspiration with respect to what things you can do with respect to your CLAT as well as ALET exam, because a lot of students are like, I'm aiming for ALET, I'm aiming for CLAT. Would you say these two are too much different?
Not necessarily.
Especially now with the analytical in CLAT.
I think, yeah, and ALET is actually, they make a much more logical and well put together paper. So just other than analytical, you don't need to do anything separately, I think.
In fact, if
Yes,
you have
even one-liners in GK, that's also from the CLAT Express only.
Correct.
Because if you've gone into depth, then you know मतलब one-liners associated with the topic.
Correct. तो इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना कि I'm aiming for CLAT, so I'll not do this, or I'm aiming for ALET, I'll do this. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. You can
No,
prepare
no,
at the
but
same time.
Easily, very easily.
है ना? Keep your preparation as broad as possible. In end में आते make it comprehensive. But base के लिए do everything. He did grammar also, he did analytical also, he did reading also, he did history also. So all of that boiled down to the success when it came to the CLAT paper also and ALET paper, and we are so very proud of you, Moksha. Thank you so much for giving us the result.
Thank you to you, ma'am, for your support.
Thank you so much. Okay, everyone, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. Every time I say okay, everyone, and then some other question comes to me. So this one is for sure final. Okay, everyone, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Anything else you want Moksha to answer, drop us a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe notification button is also there.
Yes,
Right.
it is.
So like that also, click on that also. So whenever we bring Moksha live to answer your questions, you can see that and you can join us. Thank you so much.